I'm Alan Murray. I am the Chief Data and Technology Officer for Teach for America. We find and we recruit great leadership talent, and we then place them in communities around the country to serve out a 2-year teaching commitment. There's a lot of fear and misconceptions around AI in the classrooms, and for us as an education nonprofit, that's very, very relevant. We don't want AI to replace great teachers. We want it to augment them. We want it to help them in the classroom. I think the misconception that you need big budgets, big rollouts, big transformation. In our situation, we're a nonprofit. We are resource constrained. I don't have a lot of budget for this, but yet the expectation is there. I need to do this. I need to transform this organization to really reimagine how learning happens through AI. That's personalization. That's virtual coaches and tutors and things like that. Things that we couldn't do before that now AI unlocks the opportunity for us to do that with. For example, we have our Reinvention Lab. They have educated over 1,200 educators through a whole bunch of hackathons to educate these folks on how to use AI. That has then resulted in over 720 tools that these educators have built. And these are all kinds of things built in AI for the classroom. Learn by doing, but then showcase that again to your organization, to your team, because the inspiration is there and people can latch onto that.